If you are wondering where is find and replace in Word on Mac and Windows, then keep watching this video. To access find and replace in Word on Windows, press CTRL F, or on Mac keyboard, press Command F, and you will see here the box replace. Here you can find the word if you want to, and if you want to replace the words, you just have to click on this small drop down and click on the replace. For example, we will replace Word with Microsoft Word, and you have to click here replace all if you want to replace all the words in the Word document, or you want to replace one by one in the Word document. So I will just click here replace, and it will locate the word where it is present in the document. And after clicking on the replace, as you can see, now Word is replaced by Microsoft Word. Now check out these useful videos shown on screen related to Microsoft Word. Click on that like button, comment below, and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.